A powerful storm destroyed the only bridge in Whispering Woods. Could friendship bring everyone together again?
Hello, friends! Today, we'll discover how teamwork can build something truly special.
Early that morning, Benny and Pip were excited to visit their friends across the creek.
Benny, look! The bridge is broken!
Oh no, how will everyone cross? We can't get across! Don't worry, we'll find a way.
Felix carefully inspected the broken bridge.
I think we can fix it.
Let's bring everyone together.
Soon, Ella and Toby arrived to help.
Everyone has a special talent. If we work together, we can rebuild it.
The friends smiled at one another. Together, they were ready to begin.
The friends gathered beside the broken bridge to make a plan.
Let's build it one step at a time.
Great idea, Toby.
I'll design a stronger bridge than before.
Ella searched the forest for strong logs.
Let's tell everyone we need help. I'll spread the news.
Daisy and Holly gathered flowers to decorate the new bridge.
I'll gather vines for the bridge.
Soon, everyone returned with the materials they needed.
Everyone has helped in their own special way. That's what makes a great team. That's what makes a great team.
Everything was ready. Tomorrow, the real building would begin.
As the sun rose, the friends were ready to rebuild the Friendship Bridge.
First, let's place the strongest logs.
Everyone, follow Toby's plan. I'll lift the biggest logs.
I'll guide you. Tie the vines tightly. Leave it to me.
Daisy and Holly decorated the bridge with colorful flowers.
It's looking wonderful! We're almost finished.
With one final push, the last support beam slid perfectly into place.
It's finished! It's finished!
Let's test it together.
Together, the friends carefully stepped onto the new bridge.
The bridge stood strong, proving that friendship and teamwork could overcome any challenge. The new Friendship Bridge was finally ready. Everyone gathered to celebrate.
Let's be the first to cross together. Friends always stay together.
Step by step, every friend crossed the bridge together.
Now everyone can visit again. That makes me so happy.
A bridge is made of wood, but true friendship is built with trust and kindness.
We couldn't have done it alone.
Everyone's talent mattered.
Working together made everything easier.
Every small step helped.
Working together made everything easier. Every small step helped.
That evening, something magical began to happen in the kindness garden. A beautiful new flower bloomed. The friendship rose, shining as brightly as the friends' hearts.
The friendship rose glowed brightly, celebrating the power of teamwork and trust.
Welcome, my friends! Look what your teamwork has created. It's even more beautiful than I imagined. We built more than a bridge.
We built stronger friendships. Everyone's talent made a difference.
That's what makes us such good friends.
Friendship grows stronger whenever we help one another.
The forest friends celebrated their wonderful achievement together.
Every act of teamwork plants another seed of kindness. Today's lesson is: true friendship is built on trust, teamwork, and helping each other.
The kindness garden grew even brighter because friends worked together with caring hearts.
Thank you for joining today's adventure. We'll see you again soon.
Remember, friendship makes every journey better.